అది ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్‌గా అనిపిస్తుంది. No, maximum, give maximum number of employees. Take the fourth option, last option. Give correct phone number. Industry communicate. Yes, yes. Meanwhile, Harsha, can you please share your screen and show how it looks once you log in into that org? Tell him about the email. What type of email you will get and what you need to do in that email. Don't click, just tell him. Then what will happen? Hmm. Okay, right. Fine. So now you click on the 9 dots. Awesome. On the top left corner, 9 dots are there, right? 9 dots. Top top left top left corner. 9 dots. So what is the name of that 9 dots? Tell me. There is a name for it. App launcher. App. Next time onwards, I will tell only app launcher. I will not tell 9 dots. So you should go there directly. Okay. This 9 dots is not only in communication cloud or not only in velocity, it is there in our standard Salesforce also. Okay. So launcher is there also. But the different apps that are present inside that will vary. Okay. So there you will see sales cloud, service cloud, all those kind of apps. So here you are seeing Omni Studio, order management, these kind of apps. So the apps may vary, but app launcher remains same. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Wait. Whenever something, we don't click. Wait. Whenever something, wait. That's what I'm saying. I want to explain about that. So whenever something like that comes, it is asking that, okay, the URL that you are opening right now, you have never opened that URL using this browser. This is the first time you are opening that URL. Do you want to agree that it is a correct URL or it is not any dangerous URL? So it will not impact you in any way. It is not something which is having virus or something like that. So it is fine to open that URL or not. So in future, whether the browser should allow such URLs or not. That is the meaning. That's why it is asking allow or block. Okay. So you are clicking on allow means next time onwards it will not come and it will directly open such URLs. That is the meaning of it. Okay. And also sometimes whenever you are clicking on some button, pop-up will come. Okay. So on the URL, that URL line is there. First lock symbol is there. See, first lock symbol is there. After that HTTPS is there. TCS1CB lightningforce.com/lightning in that line to the end. Don't click, don't do anything. Just okay, just see. So in that line to the ending, A symbol is there. A is there. After that, star is there, right? So here between A and star, one more symbol will come. Okay. Actually, I will tell about star. Wait. Between A and star or before A, one more symbol will come. That symbol represents that, okay, uh, pop-up blocker. Okay. So what is meant by pop-up means, see, now here you are seeing some screen because of that URL. On this screen, if you click something, it is redirecting and trying to open a different page. Okay. Different URL. And for the base URL, you already clicked allow. So next time onwards, that will not affect you. But if you see, let's learn about omnistudio, FlexCard, data raptor integration procedure, and again some links are there, right? Okay. So if you click on any link, what will happen? It will redirect you to another website, another web page, right? So that web page may come in the form of a pop-up. Pop-up and the full website difference is, see, now here go mobile and one small page is there, right? One image is, don't click, man, don't click, wait. That, right? How it is different from the complete page? It is a small page coming on top of this big page, right? So these kind of things are known as pop-ups. Okay. Okay. So such kind of a pop-up in future, if it comes, do you want to allow it or not? So that one by default pop-up blocker is there. So the browser by default have some mechanism to secure you from unwanted websites. Okay. So that way it will ask you whether you want to allow or not. If you say allow, or pop-up blocker. Pop-up blocker will come in a different way. It will initially block. It will initially block. Then when you click on it, it will ask, do you want to continue blocking or you want to allow? Okay. Continue blocking will be already selected. You need to change it to always allow. When you change it, then what will happen? It will allow the pop-up block pop-ups. Okay. So these kind of things are basic things. You need to do these things. Okay. Telling to do these things only in Salesforce website. Okay. If you go to any other website and if you do this, it may be harmful to your data. It may be harmful to your uh, laptop, or it may be harmful to your personal details. I am not sure about that. For Salesforce, you can rest assured that it will not impact you. It will not affect you in any way. So you can accept all the cookies, you can accept all the pop-ups, you can accept the allow. In the initial, you will get allow, right? That can you can also allow that. Only for Salesforce, you can accept all these things. Other things, depending on the situation, you need to think and decide. Is this clear? Now you can close this pop-up block, pop-up window. Close this. Okay. So now Omni Studio is the app currently you are in. Okay. The app launcher is allowing you to choose any app that you want. Among that, you have chosen this specific app. Currently, you are in the Omni Studio app. In Omni Studio app, the only tab that is visible is Home. And beside Home, there is a down arrow. Click on that arrow. Once you click on that arrow, you can see all the features that are present inside the Omni Studio. You can see Omni Scripts, Omni Studio Data Pack, Omni Studio Data Raptors, Omni Studio Flex Cards, Omni Studio Integration Procedures, Velocity Calculation Matrices, Velocity Calculation Procedures, Orchestration Scenarios. So all these things are there inside this. Charter, anyhow, charter is common in Salesforce also. Here also, there is no much difference. Is this clear till this point? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now click on that arrow again. It will. Okay. So to minimize, to expand, one single arrow is there. Is this clear? Okay. So now what is the status of your org, Gautam? Are you able to log in?
Not, did not got any mail.
You did not get any email. Okay. You try to refresh your mailbox once.
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. Uh, Gautam, you can share your screen once. Let's see. Go to the tab, Gautam, your mailbox, Gautam. Mailbox. Ah, okay. So in the left side, symbols are there, right? So left side, pencil symbol is there, right? Pencil symbol. So there you click on more, go to spam. Mhm. Once refresh this page. No, no, on the top refresh button is there. No? Just click that refresh. Go to inbox again after it loads. You got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Click on the verify. Basically, Salesforce is enforcing all of us to use Lightning. Okay. So by default, it will give everything in Lightning. So in admin and in development, that you know, once if you want to go to classic now also, if you want, on the top right corner you can see. So top right corner one lady symbol is there, no? Bell symbol is there, no? Top right corner. Yeah, click on profile. Yeah. Switch to Salesforce Classic is there, right? Click. If you want to go, but already everything is in Lightning. So we prefer using Lightning. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Go to switch to Lightning experience. Okay. If you want, you can go. That's what I'm saying. But here only we do. Okay. Fine. So you know how to log in now. Okay. So now uh, click on data raptors. You can go either here by clicking data raptor there you can go, or and the drop down they are coming, right? So options in that also you can go. Anything is fine. Wait, don't close. Let it open, don't close. It is not coming, then we can think of other alternative.
Okay.
Okay. It's not coming, no? Just go to the previous tab. Let it load. Uh, you click on the down arrow beside the go to Data Raptor, omnistudio Data Raptor. So these are the existing data raptors which are already provided by Salesforce. These are the existing data raptors which are already provided by Salesforce. You can click open and see what is going on there. Okay, fine. So if you want to create a new data raptor, then what we need to do? Click on the new button on the top right corner. Okay, wait here. So whenever you want to create a new data raptor, you need to fill these details. Okay, so you need to provide a name for the data raptor. You need to provide an interface type. Okay, interface type arrow is there. Click on that once. We can see what are the options that are provided. So which type that you want to use? Extract, turbo extract, load, transform. Okay, we will put among them. Just come out of it and click on the arrow in front the next option. Input. Okay, we will explain each and everything in detail. First, let's get some overview. Okay, input type. So, data raptor. What is the purpose of data raptor? Tell me. Okay, Salesforce to Velocity, Velocity to Salesforce, right? It is like a mediator in between. It is there in between. It is like a mediator. Okay, so Mediator means it will take some input and it will give some output. Yes or no? So, what type of input that data raptor can take? It can take input only in the form of JSON or XML or custom. Okay. Only these types of inputs it can take. It cannot take whatever you give. You have to provide your input in this format, only then it will take. Now go to the output type. Okay. And it can give you the output also only in these three types. It cannot give you output in whichever way you want. So data raptor can take input in what are the different types, only these three types. What are the different ways in which a data raptor can give you output, only these three types. Okay, is this clear till this point? Now required permission, description, these are optional. Scroll down little bit. No other option is there. That's it. If you fill these things, then the save button will be enabled once you give the required field value. Data raptor name, you need to give some name. Okay, type some name, some ABCD something. Okay, okay. Don't save, just listen. Okay, after you give some name, the save button is enabled. Okay, so now if you click on save, don't click. If you click, then what will happen? I am telling. If you click on save, then what will happen? A new data raptor will be created. Which type of data raptor you are creating? You are creating an extract type of data raptor. And that data raptor can take input only in JSON format and that can give output only in JSON format. Is this clear till this point? Okay. So now you need to understand what is JSON, what is XML. Then only you can give that kind of input and that kind of output you can understand. Right? Okay. That's why I am explaining. Okay, we will come to that point. Okay. Data raptor can only accept this. But we don't have our data in that format. Then we need to convert the data into that format and then only we need to give it to data raptor. Okay. So how to convert that? That we will explain as part of what is JSON, how to convert any data into JSON, and from JSON how to understand the data and change it to our required format. Okay, so till this point, first of all, okay, you need to clearly understand what is JSON, what is XML. Okay, only if you understand what is JSON, what is XML, then only you can deal with anything inside the velocity. Otherwise, you cannot do anything. In Salesforce, we deal data only in the format of objects and fields. In Velocity, we deal entirely using JSON and XML. XML is also very minimal. Majority we will use JSON. 95% of the time we use only on JSON. So everything we do on JSON only. That is why I told learning Velocity is completely different from learning Salesforce. Here there will be no objects, no fields, nothing. Here everything is JSON. Okay, you can close that, Gautam. It's not opening now. You can close. So that is why if you start preparing parallelly, one side morning you prepare Salesforce, evening you prepare Velocity, you will not understand anything. That's why I requested you to prepare Salesforce, clarify every doubt, confirm that you are confident on Salesforce, then we will move to Velocity. Even now, if you want, I can give you those two options are there. One option, already you know some basic idea of Salesforce. Okay,
Yes.
we can give 1 week break. You prepare everything. I will ask all the questions. You be perfect on Salesforce. Then we can start Velocity by using JSON. Or If you want, I can continue with the velocity classes. We will cover JSON based stuff, everything related to JSON only. Data raptor. Okay, all the 4 different types of data raptors. Integration procedure, FlexCard, OmniScript, everything works on JSON only. Okay. So completely it is a new world entirely altogether. If you try to combine this with Salesforce, you will get confusion. So after you start preparing velocity, you should stop preparing Salesforce. After completing velocity, entirely understanding this, entirely practicing this, once you are 100% confident, then you can open Salesforce again. Even now, I am giving you the option. You decide and tell me which approach you want. ఇది నేర్చుకుంటే అది మర్చిపోతారు. ఇది నేర్చుకుంటే అది మర్చిపోతారు. అది పాయింట్. అది మొత్తం బ్లాంక్ అయిపోద్ది. ఇది నేర్చుకుంటే అది బ్లాంక్ అయిపోద్ది. అది పర్ఫెక్ట్‌గా ఉంటేనే మీకు అంత స్ట్రాంగ్‌గా లోపల ఉంటే అది చెదిరిపోదు. పైపైన ఉందంటే
Your voice is breaking.
లాజిక్. డిసైడ్ చేసుకోండి. టైం తీసుకోండి. కంగారేం లేదు. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పమని నేను అనట్లేదు. టైం తీసుకోండి. నాకేం ప్రాబ్లమ్ లేదు. ఏం బేస్ అవ్వడం పక్కన పెట్టు. కరెక్ట్‌గా నేర్చుకునే ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటో చెప్పా. ఇట్స్ యువర్ డెసిషన్. వాటెవర్ యూ వాంట్ టు చూస్ యూ కెన్ చూస్. మీరిద్దరూ కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకోండి. డెసిషన్ తీసుకోండి. తొందరేముంది? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు నాకు కాంటాక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి అని డౌట్ అడిగావు. ఓకే. ఆ డౌట్ అడిగావు అంటే అర్థం నీకది రాదనే కదా! అది బేసిక్ అనమాట. అది వెరీ, వెరీ బేసిక్ అది. నాకేం ప్రాబ్లమ్ లేదు. నేను కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటే చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతా. నాకేం ప్రాబ్లమ్ లేదు. గానీ మీకు తెలీదు గదా! మీకు అందుకనే క్లియర్‌గా చెప్తున్నా. సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్‌లో మనం ప్రతీదీ కూడా ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, ఫీల్డ్స్, డేటా మీద వర్క్ చేస్తాం అంతా. అదే ట్విట్టర్ గాని, ఏది గాని చివరికి అక్కడికే కదా వస్తది. ఇక్కడ అవేమి ఉండవు. ఆబ్జెక్ట్‌లు, ఫీల్డ్‌లు ఉండవసల ఇక్కడ. అంతా జేసానే ఉంటది. మొత్తం జేసానే ఉంటది. ఇప్పుడిది నేర్చుకుంటారు. నేనేం కాదనట్లేదు. అయితే సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ చదవద్దిప్పుడు. నేను చెప్పే పాయింట్ ఒకసారి అర్థం చేసుకోండి. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ వస్తే ఓకే. వెరీ గుడ్. రాకపోతే ఓకే. అది గూడా పర్లేదు. అది కలిపి చదవద్దంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు ఇది నేర్చుకోవడం ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఫోకస్ చేసి ఇది కంప్లీట్‌గా నేర్చుకొని అయిపోయినాక అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ పట్టుకోండి. అది కలిపి ప్రిపేర్ అయితే 2 రగడ పోతాయి అంతే. హ్మ్. సీ ఏదైనా ఏదైనా స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. నేను చెప్పిన పాయింట్ అర్థమైంది గదా! ప్యారలెల్‌గా చేస్తే కన్‌ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ వెలాసిటీ మీద ఫోకస్ చేయండి. ఓన్లీ జేసన్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ముందుకెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాక అప్పుడు అది కూడా ఇది కూడా పెర్ఫెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అట్‌లీస్ట్. అర్థమైందా? సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ పెర్ఫెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఇటువైపు వచ్చినా పర్లేదు. ఇది పెర్ఫెక్ట్ అయ్యి అటెళ్ళినా పర్లేదు. 2 సగం సగం నేర్చుకుంటే ఏది కాకుండా అవుతది. అది. ఓకే. ఫైన్. గౌతమ్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్?
Your his.
అట్లా కాదు. నేను 2 ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్పా. మీరిద్దరూ ఒకసారి మాట్లాడుకోండి. మీ మీ ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్వెషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూపిచ్చాను. ఒకసారి తప్పులేదు గదా! ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడుకోండి ఇద్దరు. ఏది అయితే మనకు
Okay.
సూటబుల్ అట్లా. మాట్లాడుకున్నాక చెప్పండి. నాకేదైనా ఓకే. నాకేదైనా ఓకే.
Okay.
ఓకే.
Okay. Okay.
మీరిద్దరూ క్లారిటీకొస్తే మంచిదనేది ఒక్కటే నా ఫీలింగ్. ఎందుకంటే ప్యారలెల్‌గా అయితే చేయకూడదు. హర్ష అదొక్కటే నా పాయింట్. అది క్లియర్ కదా నీకు? ప్యారలెల్‌గా చదివితే మాత్రం వేస్ట్ అనవసరంగా. నువ్వు కష్టపడతావు రిజల్ట్
Okay.
ఉండదు. అది తప్పు. అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు.
Oh.
ఇది పట్టుకుంటే ఇదే పట్టుకోండి. అది పట్టుకుంటే అదే పట్టుకోండి. వన్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అది చదవచ్చు. తప్పులేదు. ఓకే. సో, ఒకసారి నీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చెయ్యి హర్ష చూద్దాం. సో, ఆ డౌన్ యారో మీద క్లిక్ చేయి. హోమ్ పక్కన ఉన్న డౌన్ యారో. హోమ్ పక్కన ఉన్న డౌన్ యారో క్లిక్ చెయి. సో, ఇప్పుడు మనం డేటా రాప్టర్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసాం ఇందాక. ఓకే. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నువ్వు డేటా రాప్టర్ క్లిక్ చెయి. సో, ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ డేటా రాప్టర్స్ ఇవి. ఓకే. ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ డేటా రాప్టర్స్. మనం కొత్త డేటా రాప్టర్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? టాప్ రైట్ కార్నర్‌లో న్యూ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి. హ్మ్. డేటా రాప్టర్‌కి ఒక నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే. తర్వాత సో, డేటా రాప్టర్ నేమ్‌కి మనం ఒక సర్టెన్ కన్వెన్షన్ ఫాలో అవుతాం. ఇది డేటా రాప్టర్ అని అర్థం కావడానికి డీఆర్‌తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. డీఆర్ ఇచ్చి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ డీఆర్. డీఆర్ ఇచ్చి అండర్‌స్కోర్ ఇచ్చుకొని దీనికి ఒక పేరు నీకు నచ్చిన అండర్‌స్కోర్ హైఫన్‌లు వాడం ఇక్కడ. అండర్‌స్కోర్ ఇచ్చుకొని నీకు నచ్చిన పేరు పెట్టు. మీ బిజినెస్‌కి ఏదైతే అది. నువ్వు హైఫన్
జీరో జీరో.
ఇచ్చావా? హైఫన్ ఇచ్చావా? ఆ హైఫన్‌నే షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకొని కొడితే అదే అండర్‌స్కోర్. హైఫన్ ఇచ్చావా ఇందాక? అదే హైఫన్‌ని షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకొని కొట్టు.
జీరో పక్కన బ్యాక్ స్పేస్ ముందు. యాహ్! ఇంకోటి
గౌతమ్ నువ్వు స్క్రీన్
పక్కది.
షేర్ చేసి చూపి. గౌతమ్ నువ్వు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి చూపి.
అవునా? యాహ్! ఆ! అనేసి హర్ష. యాహ్!
గౌతమ్,
హర్ష.
హర్ష, now are you able to give underscore? So every time whenever you want to create a new data raptor, you have to provide a name to that data raptor. After that, you need to decide which type of data raptor you are trying to use, because we have four different types of data raptors: extract, turbo extract, load, transform. Okay. And then input type what you want to choose, output type what you want to choose. Okay. And then we can click on save. Then what will happen? A new data raptor will be created. Okay.
Can I say
No, don't save it. Cancel. We will see some more things. Then you can create your first data raptor. So cancel. Okay, so now you understood how to create a data raptor. So I want to give this as a homework. Now you know how to create, right? Simply give it, save it. That is how you will create a data raptor, right? Now, you go to the Salesforce screen only. You stay on that screen only, Gautam. Okay. Now, again, go to that down arrow. Now, go to integration procedure. OmniStudio integration procedure. Click. So, these are the existing integration procedures. If you want to create a new integration procedure, click on the new button on the top right corner. Then for integration procedure, what it is asking us to fill? It is asking directly, it is showing this page. Directly it is showing this page. In integration procedure, you are seeing the procedure configuration. So left side, we have available components. In the middle, you are seeing the structure. Right side, you are seeing the properties or settings related to any specific component. So procedure configuration is nothing but this integration procedure related stuff. So new integration procedure, that is the name by default we got. You can click on that and you can give your own name for that integration procedure. You can remove that and you can type your own integration procedure name. We start with IP underscore, we give our name, whatever. IP integration procedure. IP underscore, whatever name you want to give, you can give. Right? Fine. Type, click on the type. Okay. So already some types are provided here. So you can choose any one of the type. Okay. Anyone. You take anyone. Under that type, click anything. Click anything. Yeah. Under the type, subtype is there. Subtype name, whatever you want, you can choose the subtype. Okay. Or you, if you don't want, you can type, you can literally type something new if you don't like that, whatever is provided. Okay. This type subtype combination will help us to uniquely identify a integration procedure. Okay. I will explain that point. Uniquely identifying that point, I will tell you again. Description will give you a detailed explanation of what is the purpose of this integration procedure, why we are trying to use. Tracking custom data, add key value pair, that also we will discuss in our further sessions in detail. So all these options we will discuss. Okay. So in the bottom you will see version, active, Warner, created by, last modified by. Version, this is the first time and you have not given any version. So after you save, it will become the first version. After saving, if you try to again modify, that will become the second version. After that, again, if you modify, that will become the third version. Is this clear? Similar to our flows and workflows data process builder. Like how versions are there, here also versions will be there. Active. Currently, it is not active. No is there. So after giving the details, you will click on the save button. Then what will happen? It will be saved only. But to activate, you need to click on the activate version button. Beside the save, export, activate button, activate version button is there, right? So using that button, you can activate any version. So if you have 7, 8 versions, out of them, any version if you want to make it active, you can click on that particular version and click on that activate version. So that particular version will be activate. Okay. And example, if there are 7 versions, already third version is active. Then if you open the fifth version and if you click on the activate version button, then what will happen? Third version will be automatically deactivated and the fifth version will be activated. At a time, only one version will be active. Is that clear? Warner. Yes. If you click on save button, then your name will come as the owner of this one. and created by, you only created it. Created by name also, your name will come. Last modified by name, your name will come. And after you
Yes.
save it, tomorrow if I open and if I modify it, then my name will come under last modified by name. Okay. So creator, owner, last modified, version, active, all these things are clear, right? So in this integration procedure, left side, so many available components are there. From there, you can drag and drop to the center. Under structure, we have procedure configuration. So under that, you can drag and drop any of these left side components to the center. Okay, drag and drop any one thing that you want. Click on that, drag and drop it into the center. Anything. Click, drag and drop into the center under the procedure configuration. Hold the key, then drag it. Okay. Only after saving the procedure configuration, then you will be able to drag it. Okay. So you understood, right? How the integration procedure works. Basic thing. Of course, we will explain every option in detail. So how data raptor will look, how an integration procedure will look. Okay. Now
Yes.
go to click the down arrow in front of the integration procedure. Close that, not that one, the first one. Now open the flex card. Mhm. I think you may get confusion if I cover flex card and omnistudio. That's fine. For now, I think this is enough. I have given you a glimpse of what is data raptor, what is integration procedure. So in tomorrow's class, I will explain in detail about data raptor. Okay. Tomorrow
Okay.
and day after tomorrow, I think 2 days we need to complete the data raptor. After completing the data raptor in detail, then we will go to the integration procedure. Then we will come to FlexCard and OmniScript. Okay. So now
Okay.
it's your homework. You no need to go in depth. Just give just give the name and save one data raptor. Just give a name and save an integration procedure. That's it. That is the homework. Second thing, already existing data raptors are there. Already existing integration procedures are there. You just open it and see the options. Just see the options. You no need to do anything. Just see the options. That's it. At tomorrow's class, I will explain practically. Then you will get some clarity.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine then. Thank you very much, guys.
Okay. Tomorrow at what time?
8:30 only. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, thank you. No.